Hey guys, welcome back to my service series. In this video, what we're going to be doing is changing the transmission oil on the Harley Sportster. So there are a few tools that you're going to need. I'll show you them and we'll get stuck into it. Let's go. For this one, what you're going to need is your transmission oil, your O-rings and some brake clean. So first thing we want to do is locate the drain plug. Once again, it's under here. You can use a wrench or you can use an Allen's key. So first things first, put your drain pan back under and undo this drain plug. There we go. So this little drain plug here does have a magnetic head which will collect little shards of metal on top. So what we're going to do is we're going to clean that off, give it a quick clean up and change that O-ring in there. But first we're going to take off the chain inspection cover. So right here is the chain inspection cover. Once again, 2 Allen's keys. So we'll just take this one off. And more O-rings. Now, you should just be able to pop that cover off like so. Make sure you've got that gasket in there still. And there you have it. You can now inspect the chain. Now we've got this inspection cover off, you want to check the play of your chain. And what I'll do is I'll show you how to adjust that. So once again, look at your owner's manual for the specifications on how much play you should actually have in the chain there. This is a simple adjustment. So what you're going to need for this is a shifter and an Allen's key. The Allen's key will fit up underneath, which you'll need that there to hold it in place, and you'll need a shifter just to undo this nut here, which this whole system moves, and it moves the shoe inside, which will tighten and loosen your chain. As I loosen it, the chain will come down, which gives it a lot more play, and then when I tighten it up, it'll give it less play. So once again, have a look in your service manual on the tolerance. So for me, in the service manual here, it shows the movement on the cold engine and a hot engine. It has it in millimeters and inches. For me, what I might do is just tighten it up a touch. Now the way I'm going to do this is I'm going to put my Allen's key in the bottom and loosen that nut off. So when I tighten the whole mechanism back up, there'll be less play. So now the key is, you need to put your Allen's key in and then tighten it, because otherwise it'll spin the whole mechanism and all that hard work you've done, making sure it's right, will go out the window because it'll loosen back up. So you want to do that so that's tight, and then just check again. Now before we put the transmission oil in, you want to put your drain plug back up in there. And tighten that up snug. There we have it. Next step is to add your transmission oil. So for this model, it takes 1 full quart, which is the whole bottle. So get your oil, get yourself a funnel and funnel the whole thing in there. Before you put the inspection cover back on, just give that a quick little clean out. And put your gasket back in and your cover. Tighten them up. Like that. Just make sure they're nice and snug. just like that, the transmission is done. The next job in this series, what I'm going to be doing is the spark plugs. It should only be a quick little job, won't take too long at all, but it does need to be done. So once again, I'll post a link in the corner, whichever one. If you're liking this video series so far, it would mean the world to me if you hit the like and subscribe, and turn on the bell notification so you don't miss when I post the next video. Let's go.